Hi everyone, David Cohen here. If you're anything like thousands of my previous clients, I know that you're probably ready to get started with building your business credit and launching your investment initiatives, so I'll make this quick. I'm going to show you an example of how you will use business credit to your advantage with this great real estate investment hack. I'm going to make this quick and to the point, using simple numbers so that you can quickly grasp this concept, get your paid access to the Business Credit Blitz, and be on your way to replicating this incredible strategy. Here we go. This excellent real estate investment hack using business credit is used to invest in fix and flip properties. With this method, you buy a home that may need repairs or has some sort of added value potential. Then, you make the necessary repairs or additions to the home. And lastly, you sell the home for more than what you paid for it. This is an ideal strategy to take advantage of using business credit because the turnaround time is usually quick, 1 to 6 months typically, depending on the extent of work that needs to be done, followed by marketing the home to buyers, allowing you to quickly pay off your credit and enjoy your profits. Check out this straightforward example. You find a home on the market that is a fixer-upper being sold for $200,000. Upon initial inspection, you see that it needs new interior and exterior paint, a mild kitchen remodel, and new carpet throughout. After doing some research, you determine that the home can be sold for $285,000 after the repairs have been done. So recognizing this as a good deal, you buy the home in as-is condition. You find a lender that will finance the home up to 70% of its after-repair value, and you estimate that the rehab work will cost $34,000, which you intend to pay for using a cash advance from one of your business credit cards. Here's how the numbers look for this deal. The lender lends you $200,000, which is 70% or the after-repair value of the home at $285,000. You borrow $34,000 from a credit card cash advance to do the necessary repairs, and pay another $11,000 from your various sources of business credit to cover interest, closing costs, fees, etc. After selling the home for $285,000, you're left with a profit of $40,000. That's right, $40,000 profit in mere months. And you know what the best part is? You didn't have to use any of your own money to do it. That's the power of business credit at work. It's your turn to take advantage of deals just like this one. With your paid access to the Business Credit Blitz system, you can get started today. Inside, I also provide you with a crash course in real estate investing, along with a bunch of great tools and resources that will help you get started right away. See you on the inside.